ikaw ay akin. Ganda mo sa paningin. Ako ngayon'y nag-iisa. Sana ay tabihan na. Sa ilalim ng puting ilaw, sa dilaw na buwan, pakinggan mo ang aking sigaw. Sa dilaw na buwan, ayokong mabuhay ng malungkot. Ikaw ang nagpapasaya. Magkakasama hanggang sa pagtanda. Halina tayo'y humiga. Sa ilalim ng puting ilaw, sa dilaw na buwan, pakinggan mo ang aking sigaw. Sa dilaw na buwan,
Hi Tan! So, first of all, I would like to greet you not just a happy but the best birthday because it's your 18th birthday! Like, so all I can say is just I'm being proud for everything that you have achieved already. Like, not just in academics but also in your personal life. You have come so far that a lot of people look up to you. You've inspired a lot of people in your age. You have achieved this. You have reached this goal. And as your partner, it makes me feel. You make me feel special. And so as your partner, it's both an honor and responsibility. But seriously, as your partner, it's a pleasure for me to be with you. Like CJ Bagawisan and CJ Bagawis. Realizing how mature you have become ever since we have started talking, the development of you as a person, as a son, as a partner, and as a kuya. As a kuya ba? But all I can ask generally is your good health, of course, and more power to come, more birthdays to come, and yeah, more things to celebrate, more things to achieve, and more things for you to reach. I know that you'll thrive. I know makakayanin mo lahat ng gawin. I wish you the best for your college journey. And yeah, there's nothing much to say because I know already that you knew that already. And yeah, again, I'm so proud. I'm beyond proud. I am very happy. And I feel ecstatic. I feel flabbergasted. But yeah, if may marami mo makakarinig dito, yeah, I love you so much. And happy birthday! Happy birthday. So, next!
Hello, my other half. So, I don't know what to tell you. I just want to tell you how much I love you. Like, you definitely are the other half of me, because without you, I really wouldn't know kung sino ko right now. Kasi di ko naman mag-survive yung childhood or lahat na na-experience ko during LM high school days without you, because you are literally since day one na kasama ko. You're literally the kindest person I've ever met. I would give up everything just for you. I'll also give you my heart if you needed it. And if you were Selena Gomez, I'll gladly be Francia Raisa for you and give all my organs just for you to live a longer life and be with you longer. Anyway, happy birthday, and please know that I'll always be by your side forever and ever till death do us part.
Happy birthday, CJ! Yung message ko, nasa letter lang. Kasi hindi ako ready sa video. But I love you so much and I hope ma-enjoy mo yung birthday mo. Kasama kami. Thank you, love you!
Happiest legality, CJ. I hope that the path you choose will lead you to success and may you continue to thrive. Also, good luck on your future endeavors. Though we might be divided by distance, know that I will always be with you and I'm always here supporting and rooting for you. Love you!
Hi, CJ! Happy Pride Month and happy birthday sa'yo. And it's been a long time since we last talked, and if I'm being honest, nami-miss kita kasi nakakamiss na ikaw yung madalas makakampi, nakakamiss naman yung pag-sharean ako ng mga interest ko kasi dati talagang halos same tayo ng trip diba? And ayun, nakakamiss na magkaroon ng isang tao na lagi mong matatakpan kapag may mga problems ka. And dahil doon, naging super big yung part mo sa buhay ko. And thinking about it now, super nakaka-warm sa heart. And ayun, I don't know where life has taken me lately or kung ano na ba yung mga napagdadaanan mo, but I do genuinely hope na you will find happiness in places na pupuntahan mo na, sa mga new hobbies and ano mo ngayon, interest mo ngayon, and of course sa mga taong mga nakakasalamuhan mo ngayon. I hope na you're still kind to yourself, and I hope na you still celebrate little things, little victories na nangyayari sa'yo. And ayun, today on your birthday, I do want you to know na I'm still your friend. I'm still here. Pwede mo akong kausapin if you want. Pwede mo akong chikahan. Pwede mo akong sabihan na kahit ano actually. I will most likely respond talaga. And, ayun. I still wish nothing but good things for you. And I hope this year brings you peace, happiness, success, and people who appreciate you. Kasi super lucky to have someone like you sa buhay nila. Kasi, in my case, super lucky ko sa'yo kasi I felt na I felt love, I felt seen by you talaga, and I'm so thankful for that. And ayun, happy birthday ulit. I do wish to see you again. I hope sana someday. Ayun, happy birthday again, CJ. I love you so much, Mama.
Hi CJ! Happy birthday! Hindi man tayo nakita palagi pero I'm always here for you. I love you so much.
My wish for you is good health and good luck sa journey, and also sana more banding pa yung dumating sa atin, lalo na sa CCC. So, fighting and happy birthday. More birthday to come, and God bless you.
Hello
Hello, CJ, Fox. I miss you, Nabi. Happiest birthday sa'yo and sana matupad mo yung mga bagay na gusto mo or yung mga pangarap mo. More kapokpokan pa, Fox. Bye. Happiest birthday again.
Hello CJ, happy birthday. Lagi mo lang sipagan hanggang college, makakamit mo rin lahat na pangarap mo sa buhay. Laging proud ang Yumswan sa'yo sa lahat ng kakayahan na meron ka. Love you!
Hi CJ, happy birthday. Wishing you all the best and more birthday to come at sana hindi mo kami makalimutan. Happy birthday!
Hi CJ, happy birthday. Gusto ko lang sabihin na thank you for being a good friend to us. Kasi, ayun, really appreciate you for being who you are. And sana, yes, makita mo na yung sarili mo, the way kung paano ka namin nakikita. Kasi we really admire you for being you. Kasi ang dami-dami mo kayang gawin, sana alam mo yun. And ayun, you have so many potential. As in nakikita ka sa maraming field. Pero ikaw, hindi mo nakikita yung sarili mo sa kahit saan. Pero ayun, sana ganito na araw na. Ayun na, doon yung araw na hindi mo na-doubt yung capabilities mo, yung potential mo na rin sa isang bagay. Alam ko na talagang din yung araw na magiging isang teacher ka na rin. Magiging co-teacher mo na sila Ma'am Bianca, si Ma'am Arthur, and I can wait. Ma'am Arthur? Sir Arthur, and I can't wait to see you na makita ka sa ganong ano mo. And ayun, I'm so excited sa ano man yung ano man yung marireceive mo sa next journey na yun yan. I'm so proud of you. Palagi naman. Palagi naman proud of you, CJ. Hindi ko alam po rinig to, pero okay na yun. Pero you know the rest. We've been friends since bata pa tayo, pero naging close tayo since grade 9. Grade 9 days tayo dalawa pa tayo kasama hanggang sa nagtuloy na siya natin. And ayun, hindi tayo magkakaibigan ngayon, hindi tayo mabubuhay ngayon kung wala ka. So, yun, sobrang halaga mo as a person. Iisip ko lagi na mahirap ko ngayon. Yun lang.
Ulit, game 1.
Dear Charo.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Dear Charo.
Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Ako nga po pala si Majestin Dita. Ate, hindi ka gagawa ng presentation, Charis. Yes, ito na, camera. Kidding aside. Good day. I just want to say happy birthday to my human medicine, to my ate, nyay, kuya, box, and everything nice. I just want to say
hi CJ, happy birthday to you. No, I am very grateful and blessed that I've met you as my students and also as my random kachikahan sa hallway ng CGC. Happy birthday again, and I wish you all the best. And thank you for choosing social studies to be your major in education. I really wish you the best in life and continue to grow and continue your passion as an educator. See you in the field. Bye!
Hi! Happy birthday sa paborito kong anak. Well, congratulations din pala sa iyong recent senior high school graduation. I know, alam ko kung gaano ka-happy kasi pangarap natin yan last 2 years ago, 'di ba? Sabi ko nga sa iyo nung hindi natin nakuha yan. Hindi mo nakuha kasi hindi pa sa ngayon. And I am really glad na pinatunayan mo talaga na you're really deserving and you really are deserving sa kung ano yung meron ka ngayon. Lagi kong sinasabi sa iyo noon, 'di ba? I will be waiting na maging co-teacher ka kasi I know na you will become a wonderful teacher kasi noon pa man you really have everything na hinahanap natin para maging teacher. Alam ko kung gaano ka passionate, how wonderful your leadership is, kung gaano mo napapasunod na ma-manage na control yung klase natin noon, 'di ba? Lagi kong sinasabi sa iyo, mas takot na nga yung mga kaklase mo sa iyo kaysa sa akin, 'di ba? CJ, alam mo kung gaano kita ka-love, alam mo kung gaano ka ka-love ni Mama. And I am really thankful din sa love na binibigay mo ninyo sa akin up until now. Alam nyo kung gaano ko kamahal ang Felicity. And I am happy kasi nakikita ko kung gaano ka kasaya. Naririnig ko sa kanila kung gaano ka kasaya, kung ano yung gaano ka kasaya, kung ano yung meron ka ngayon, especially sa relationship na meron ka ngayon. I just want you to know na andito lang ako, and mahal kita sa kung ano ka, kasi alam ko may mga hesitations ka sometimes. Siguro sabi mo nga nahihiya ka, natatakot ka or what, but I want you to know na mahal kita sa kung ano ka at anong magiging ikaw pa sa future. Gusto ko lang lagi kang kahit anong mangyari, laging si God pa rin yung unahin natin, center of our lives. Kasi wala tayo kung wala siya. And papasok ka na sa another chapter ng buhay mo. Medyo mas mahirap to, no? This will be yung college life mo magiging exhausting, tiring, ano pa yung mga ing natin dyan. Pero alam ko dahil masipag kayo, alam ko, di ba sinasabi ko sa inyo, kung anong gusto nyong maging kayo, magiging kayo yon. No, baka masyado nang mahaba yung message ko. I just really wanted you to know kung gaano kita kamahal, kung gaano ko kayo kamahal. And lagi lang pagsisikapan. Ang susunod na nating iintayin is, sabi mo nga diba sa message mo, maging co-teacher kita. Love you, nak. Happy 18th birthday.
Only your